Wow, some buildings literally fell to the ground. Damn, Philippines was hit by an earthquake. Hold on, let me see this. Philippines earthquake. Damn! Oh my god, a 7.8? I'm surprised there was not a tsunami. What the hell, dude? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh no, that's not very good, John. Wow, some buildings literally fell to the ground. Oh my god, I don't know if this is AI or not. I actually don't know if this is AI.